Jason Phillips here with Phillips Home Improvements. I'm going to share with you 3 tips that will help you have a successful roofing project and avoid scams and ripoffs. Tip number 1, not all roofing contractors are the same. What you want is a roofing contractor that's local, that's been in business for a significant period of time, and has a lot of happy customers. Tip number 2, get everything in writing. That agreement is there to protect you and the contractor. Tip number 3, roofs are not one size fits all. Get a roof that's customized to your home. These tips and more are found in my book, The Informed Consumer's Guide to a Successful Roofing Project. Click the link with this video to get your free copy now. Do your friends and family and neighbors a favor. Go ahead and share this video with them so they too can benefit from this very valuable information.